Are you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Sometimes all you need for a good meal are great ingredients. We have them here. Some beautiful shrimp. These specific ones, I'll put the name here, but they're caught outside of Sicily at the depth of like 700-800 meters, so quite deep down. And we're going to do something very simple to them. We're going to put them on the grill, and that's it. And then we'll serve them like they are with some homemade aioli. Very traditional, very simple, but you kind of want, when you have produce like this, you kind of want this to be in the foreground of everything. You don't need a lot of sauces or other things with it. It's the beauty of the shrimp itself. But yeah, I'll show you how to make the aioli, and then we'll have a look at when it's on the grill. But before we start with the aioli, don't forget to click the subscribe button, please, and the bell icon, so that you can get updated when new content is made available. Yeah, but that's about it. Let's make some aioli. This is all we need for our aioli. Some olive oil, some egg yolks, in this case 2 egg yolks, some salt, and 2 cloves of garlic. We'll start off with the garlic. We'll add the 2 egg yolks, some olive oil to get it started. Now it's time for some seasoning. Put some salt in there. And then we continue. Give it a little taste. Perfect. That's how simple it is to make aioli. You don't even need a mixer or anything. Well, if you don't have this, but have a mixer, then use a mixer. Now let's grill the shrimp. It's time to get these onto here. There's nothing better than the smell of seafood in general and shrimp in particular when it gets onto a warm grill. It's kind of a sweet smell. I love it. So now we have them all on there. We'll close the lid, leave them on there for, I would say, probably around 5 minutes. So 2.5 to 3 minutes on each side. But we'll look in again once they're done. You see the smoke there? And you see the smoke there. It's -degrees outside, but it's never too cold to grill. These are perfect. So we'll take them now. See, smoking hot. We'll go inside, we'll let them cool down a little bit because we're going to eat them with our hands, so we don't want to burn ourselves. And then it's time to taste. I think I'm at my happiest when I get to eat seafood. Now we'll dig in with our hands. They've cooled down a bit, so we shouldn't burn ourselves too much. Just get in there with the hands and you can dip a bit in the aioli. Små piece of fell. The sweetness, the saltiness, it's just perfect. And it just goes to show, with good ingredients, you don't need to make a lot out of it for it to taste amazing. I mean, what did we do? We had great shrimps that we put on the grill, and we made a very simple aioli just with some egg, some garlic, some olive oil, and some salt. And that's it. And now you can sit down, share this with your family. You sit and you eat with your hands. It's social, it's nice, it's good. I hope you will try this. It's important to get good quality seafood, and that's the only trick to the dish. And as always, if you stuck with me this long, please click the like button. That just shows me that you actually like the content I make. Also feel free to comment below. I promise I will answer you, whatever question you have. And if you haven't done so yet, click the subscribe button. That's it for this time. It's a short one. It's an easy dish, but it's so good. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye-bye.